Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to insert saved reply into Instagram direct message. Instagram saved replies feature allows you to save time answering the same questions in direct messages over and over. Follow these steps and you'll find out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Click on the paper airplane icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Once the direct messages section opens, hit one of the conversations. After that, find the plus icon in the message window and tap it. Press on the chat icon. Now you can see all your previously created replies. So select the saved reply that you want to add to your message. The only thing left to do is to hit send. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to insert saved reply into Instagram direct message. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.